Hey, lifestyle lovers, welcome back to SE Lifestyle. I am looking for a parking space because we are going to do a shop with me at Homegoods. So I'm actually on the beach in my city, which is Jacksonville. I'm on Jacksonville Beach. So it's almost like a few miles down from Ponte Vedra Beach, which is actually where I'm headed at. So it's like a more affluent area of town. Ponte Vedra is anyway. Um, so I'm gonna do like a quick shop with me in Homegoods, and it's raining. And I'm actually vlogging, so this is a video inside of a vlog, a weekend vlog. But I didn't want the vlog to be super long, so I'm just gonna make the shop with me separate. So we're gonna go in Homegoods. I don't think I have ever been in this Homegoods. So, excuse me, we're just gonna check it out and see what they have. Hopefully some good stuff. So yeah, and there's a Target also, and Target has been having some good home decor as well. So I don't know if I'm going to stop to the Target because I am going to like a little party. So I don't know if I'm gonna stop to the Target, but we're definitely stopping to Homegoods. So stay tuned. real good footage. They had a lot of stuff. They had a lot of nice stuff, but it was a lot of people in there. So it was kind of hard to vlog because there was just no clear aisles. And like I said, it's raining outside, so everybody must be was thinking the same thing. Go to HomeGoods, because there was so many people in there. But I didn't see anything particular that I needed. But you know, typical norm goods, but typical home goods stuff, but they were pretty much stocked up with everything. Artwork, I seen some really nice artwork in there. Nice sideboards or cabinets. What else? They had a lot of stuff. So, you know, so yeah.